The wheel and rack grip pliers are used for gripping, rewinding, and holding of objects of various forms. The chrome-plated nut on the handle is used to precisely adjust the grip width and strength. Once the desired grip width is adjusted and the object is firmly gripped, apply moderate force to the lever and lock the pliers in position. The pliers' grip is firm and self-locking. To unlock them, simply release the lever on the handle. The wheel and rack grip pliers allow a firm grip of objects of various forms.